great experience to working together with Volvo Construction Equipment. We were really excited to see, for example, testing new electric machinery on the track, such as electric wheel loader.
This track building is the first construction site for this L120 full electric wheel loader here in Finland, and they really love it.
Volvo Construction Equipment is the official track building partner to the FIA World Rallycross Championship. We are here in Kymmering, Finland, finalizing a major track building project with our latest products and services.
So it's a great experience for us to work with Volvo and to use their machinery for a really efficient and sustainable way of constructing the circuit.
Volvo CE and the Volvo machines have done a great job preparing and building the gravel sections from scratch. I think it would be a great race weekend overall.
We are really excited for the event to see how this construction work is coming to life.